all the chemicals off. Okay, and then we're going to use the bands to put the proper sets back together. For a hygiene pack, it's going to get a scaler, a mirror, air water, and a probe. That one's done. Notice how these are peaked down here? This means that it's dirty and hasn't been ran yet. So then it's going to come over here and wait to go into autoclave.